Hello everyone, my name is KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to show you how to prepare a very popular Chinese cuisine all over the world, sweet and sour pork. In Cantonese, we call it bu lo yok. Let's take a look how to do it. Marinate the pork. You can use pork loin as what I'm using, which is less fatty. But most Chinese restaurants are using pork belly. It is entirely your choice. Add a light soy sauce, egg whites, and cornstarch. Combine with the pork and marinate for at least half to 1 hour. If you have time, marinate for half a day or even overnight is even better. Next, cut the vegetables to about the same size of the pork. Here we have cucumber, onion, and multicolored bell pepper or capsicum. If you have pineapple, you can include pineapple as part of the vegetable for sweet and sour pork. Before start cooking, let's prepare the sweet and sour sauce. Here we have the Chinese plum sauce, ketchup. So both the plum sauce and the ketchup are sweet and sour in nature. Then we have lemon juice. If you don't, just use any vinegar will do. Some sugar and some salt. You may add all this into the wok one by one, but I prefer to pre-mix all these ingredients first. Now let's make the batter to coat the pork and deep fry it. This is the ordinary wheat flour and cornstarch, a little bit of salt and baking soda. Mix all together and add some water to form a batter. Coat the marinated pork with the batter. Deep fry the pork in hot oil until it turns golden brown. Remove from oil and drain on kitchen towel. Heat up some oil in the wok. Stir frying the onion, the cucumber, and the bell pepper, the capsicum for the short while. Add the sweet and sour sauce that we have prepared. Once the sauce starts to boil, add the pork back to the wok. Have a few quick stir and serve. I hope you enjoy watching this sweet and sour pork video recipe. You can download the recipe by following the link in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KP Kwan. Bye for now.